So when you're in the process of organizing storage or anything, a record collection, you have whatever, what have you, this is a nice machine to have. It comes with, of course, the keyboard to write the label, right? And the keyboard printer, right? To write the label, right? This is the start, this is the print button, and it has a menu that's pretty self-explanatory. It comes with a power supply, which is what you see here, but it also comes with one roll of tape so that you can start printing immediately. It's really cool that it has this carrying case, because then if you want to take it anywhere, right, then you don't have to worry about getting broken, right? So, it has a carrying case, and I can show you that, and then you take it with me. See, very sturdy, very hard, protected, and then you can label everything.